All right, traders, to watch this video for Monday, October 16th, 2017. The SPY kind of hanging out at all-time highs. Quick glance at IWM, the small cap ETF still hanging out at all-time highs, a little bit below, but both of them holding up really well, which means I just go ahead and proceed with a watch list. RGSE goes on long watch. It found support on Friday. I actually called it Friday long over this candle right here, over 197, and we got a really nice move, and that just shows the stuff I look for should work right away, and that's the way I trade. That's how I make my living, finding those stocks that should work right away. RGSE certainly met those parameters, and it goes back on long watch because, you know what, it held up pretty well, and it has supported that $2 area now, so we might get a follow-through day tomorrow. Remember, as you watch my videos, I'm a day trader, so I'm looking for ways to make money the very next trading day in cash every night, no matter what. SRNE had this on, excuse me, on Bounce Watch. If you watch the video Thursday night for Friday, I said that, you know, even though this only has one red day and it needed to come down more, I thought this one sometimes they might turn, you know, when they're this strong, they might pop. Now, having said that, I didn't get a trade in it, and this is the intraday. I did mention when it was right here that it was flagging below, right at the red to green, right below high of day, that it might be worth a trade. And if you caught that, like on this 310 break, it went up to, what, 335. Nice little trade if anyone took it. I didn't call it as such, but it goes back on long watch for Monday because, you know what, it closed pretty strong, and that thing is really, really strong. excuse me, strong lately. APHB, let me try that again. This one's still flagging. I've been watching this one. You had this pop, and you've got a really coiled stock here. Could break the other way too, but we're going to watch it for a potential long. See if some volume comes in on Monday. INFI, huge pop here, and gave back you know, quite a bit of that on Friday, but much lower volume. That's another one that's so strong, might turn back up on Monday. LBIX, crazy action. This thing went from $1.40 something to almost $3.80 on an intraday basis. That's insane. Closing well off its highs, but well off its lows. So that's just one that recent crazy action. I want to watch it for a possible setup. All right, when you have these in front of you and you get a low risk setup, you can make some really nice percentage gains in a very short period of time. Remember, all my entries are based on intraday setups, though. So I can't, in these videos, I can't say I'm going to buy it if it gets here because I don't know how it's going to open. I don't know what it's going to do. So myself and everyone in our chat room watches these on an intraday basis and knows what to look for. And then everyone in the room is very good at sharing when they see something set up too. So great having a huge group of a set of eyes watching for the same things that I'm watching for. Chat room teamwork is fantastic. WPCS also goes on watch. You know, kind of like that LBX. Crazy action lately. Big flush on Thursday and then found support on Friday. Actually called this one as a potential long on Friday too right there. Again, notice it worked right away. That's the setups I look for. It held up well enough that I want to watch it again on Monday. CLNT had the gap up and failed and looked like it was going to fill the gap. Next thing you know, it's kind of right back up, plus a possible inflection point through 6. So I want to watch that one for a potential long on Monday. NETE got a big volume spike, recent reverse split, but gave back a lot of its gains. I still think, just like the other ones I've talked about, I still think it's worth watching. AUPH trying to break out here. We'll see if we get a follow-through day on Monday. LINU, recent big mover, nice secondary move, 3 days lower into the 200-day from above, plus the 8-day. Pretty good setup for a possible bounce on Monday. KTOV, bounce watch, huge move, couple red days on declining volume, good setup for a possible turn back up. Couple more. CLSN, big mover, big secondary move, couple days down on declining volume again, down to the 8-day worth watching. And then lastly, I have CASI, huge move, couple days lower. We're going to watch that one as well. We'll also add some gappers in the morning to watch as the market unfolds too. So with all of these, we should make some good money on Monday. Have a great night.